Tired of your Asana Gantt charts looking like a confusing jumble of tasks? Well, get ready to transform them. In this video, I'll show you how to color code your Asana Gantt charts to instantly improve clarity and keep everyone on the same page. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Asana project containing the Gantt chart you want to enhance. Now, open a task that you want to color code and scroll down to the Custom Fields section. If you don't have custom fields already set up, you'll need to create them. For example, let's create a custom field called Status. Add different options like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. Now, the magic happens. Assign a unique color to each status option. For instance, you might use gray for To Do, orange for In Progress, and green for Complete. Go back to your Gantt chart, and you'll see your tasks are now beautifully color-coded according to their status. You can apply this same method to other custom fields like Priority or Department for even more visual organization. This makes it super easy to quickly identify potential bottlenecks, track progress, and keep your project running smoothly. So ditch the confusing Gantt charts and unlock the power of color coding in Asana. Now go forth and conquer your projects with clarity.